gonna show you. Stop. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Do it now. On the ground. Get on the ground. Do it now. On the ground, bro. Get on the ground. Your face down.
What started as a suspected SIM swap scam at a phone store quickly turned into a police chase after officers say the suspect fled the moment law enforcement arrived on scene. Employees had already become suspicious after the man allegedly presented identification that did not match the account information connected to the phone number he was trying to access.
Going northbound. What we have is 53 related charges.
Hey! 2942, he's running southbound. He's running southbound behind the 400 diplomat. Stop! I'm gonna shoot you. Stop! I'm gonna tase you. Stop! Stop! I'm gonna shoot you. Stop! Get on the ground! Get on the ground. Do it now. On the ground. Get on the ground. Do it now. On the ground, bro. Get on the ground. Your face down. Do not move.
Wait.
Move. Hands behind your back.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I ain't got no gun. I ain't got none.
Move.
Yes, sir. I ain't got none. I ain't got. All right, let me get up.
2942, 215.
Let me get up. I'll get up.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie. This way. All right, guys. Listen.
Sit in your butt. Sit in your butt.
You gonna shoot me though?
Real diplomat, 400 diplomat.
Yeah.
Coming out to the courthouse.
They're coming out to the front.
Can you reach? You're gonna have to reach over
Yeah.
the other side. No cardio.
How you gonna get caught with a fat cop?
You dared to shoot. I wasn't gonna risk my life like that.
Smart choice.
Hell yeah. I ain't do nothing wrong.
I appreciate you applying.
Yeah. You dared to pop me. Who got a car here?
10-7-8 10.
Where are you?
Yeah, search him.
According to store employees, staff intentionally delayed the transaction while contacting police after noticing several inconsistencies during the interaction. Officers later explained that SIM swap scams are commonly used to gain access to victims' bank accounts, financial information, and private communications. When officers arrived, the suspect immediately ran from the store, leading to a brief foot pursuit before he was taken into custody. Even after being detained, the man repeatedly refused to identify himself, telling officers to call him a good citizen instead of providing his real name.
You gonna shoot me for real?
I don't know if you got a weapon or not, bro.
I'll run it over. You gonna shoot me? No, I got my phone.
Is your car?
Yeah.
Your phone?
You guys know what you're talking about?
No, just searching this side. Yeah.
Oh, I got money right there.
Hey, I'll play for no thing.
Oh, my bad. Good afternoon, officers. Why y'all look all so potty, bro? Yeah, good afternoon, man. I ain't violent, nah.
Nope. Have a good day. 10-7-8
Take a seat.
Go on. Yeah.
Okay, but she's got the subject, so she.
No, I don't know whose car that is. It's not my
Okay, then go meet with the.
victim?
Yeah.
Okay.
How you doing, sir? You mind just telling me what happened?
Yeah, so we have a chat across all the stores, right? And they sent a picture of this man trying to use a fake ID to do a SIM change. Usually SIM change, they do it to like get access to another person's bank account information, do all sort of things. But yeah, then I saw a person obviously walk in. I thought it was a customer. When I asked for his ID, it was the same Oklahoma ID, but it had a different name on it. So I was like, oh, okay, this guy's fraud. So I called my manager just to like let her know, hey, this guy's fraud. And then just went to while she was handling him, trying to do a SIM change, we put like a bunch of barriers, like, hey, I need a bill, whatever. I was in the back calling you guys. And then I came back, try to just stretch the interaction as long as possible so that you guys can get there. And once he saw the cop car, he's like, oh, give me a second. He grabbed his stuff and then walked in.
Okay, and just to confirm, the mail that you're talking about that that they sent doing fraud to all the other stores was the mail you just confirmed?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
He's gonna pull the car in so we can finish talking in here, so we're not blocking the road.
Well, that's why it wasn't me.
Alright, so just to run everything back, obviously you guys, when did you get that first alert?
5:15. Well, let me see. Yeah, 5:15.
Which store was that?
Aventura.
Aventura, okay.
That's, you want the address?
Nah, don't worry, I'll find. Well, actually, yeah, just give it to me. Might as well, right?
20445.
445. Do you know if he did anything over there? Did they call?
I don't think they called.
Okay.
He was trying to do a SIM swap, right?
Yes, correct.
And tell me, explain that to me.
So basically, it's just switching. So let's say my phone number is here, and I want to put it in another phone. I just swap the SIM card and put it into a new phone.
And they're doing that as fraud?
Yeah, to access people's one-time pins for bank accounts for whatever reason.
Because all the messages will start going to him, right?
Exactly. So when they get the one-time pin, it goes to the fraudster instead of the actual person.
Okay. And you don't know if he ended up doing anything over there.
I can call them.
If they did and they need to press charges, that's going to be Aventura PD, okay?
Yeah.
So just make
You
sure they
don't
call
have to-
them.
Yeah, you can call them after we're done because it's out of our jurisdiction.
Oh, okay.
Bro,
But
say-
you can let them know that we do have one in custody in regards to that. We're also going to let our department know to send out an email blast to their department to know that we do have that person of interest
Okay,
in
let
custody.
me. He also presented an Xfinity bill. Well, a fake one, of course.
To you guys or?
To us.
Okay, I don't think he had that on him.
No, he had a picture.
Oh, a picture of it?
I
Okay.
have it printed out of the store.
Okay,
You
cool.
have, they may have asked this, but you have video surveillance, right?
Yes.
And when you get back to the store, you'll be able to freeze that interaction.
Me personally, no, but I can call my district manager. So
If you could,
Yeah.
please, that'll be very helpful. Because our detective, we don't necessarily need that today, but our detective bureau will get that video. And as far as prosecution in court, I mean, that's common sense. All right.
How'd I get? What's your first name, boss?
He ain't taking me to jail.
Huh?
I ain't going to jail.
What's your name?
I can't tell him at the precinct or at the job.
Okay, that's fine. You don't want to tell us fine.
It just, if I'm going to jail,
You're gonna get hit with another charge,
Huh?
brother. That's the problem. If you want another charge, that's on you.
I'm going to go to jail so I can
That's what we're doing.
Okay, but if you don't tell us your name, you're gonna get another charge.
Yes.
What's the charge?
Obstruction. Because you're not letting us conduct our investigation.
That's not my job to help y'all.
Okay, that's fine. It's popping up from us. All you.
I appreciate y'all for being nice, but
No,
you
no
feel what I'm
worries.
saying? I just want to go to jail. Y'all
I
can
got
take
you.
me to jail,
Yeah.
take me to wherever detention center I'm going to. I can tell them my name. I can start from
I just figure you might want to give me an name so I can call you by that. Like, you know?
Oh, no, you can call me good citizen.
All right, good citizen. You want to take this phone this way for me?
Thank you so much, sir. I appreciate it. Y'all nice, man. I can't lie.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Nice. Hey, he a cheater.
Stand right here.
Oh, my bad. The man's right there. He's a cheater.
Listen, when I take this off, just put your hand on top of your head, all right?
I ain't gonna kick my ass in that, right?
Nah, why would you do that, good citizen?
I'm just making sure. I don't want y'all to kick my ass in nothing, man.
Nah, man, there's no reason for that.
I ain't trying to get different. I just want to go to the jail.
Listen, I need you to take your jewelry off for me, okay? Walk forward for me. You just take everything off, like your rings, watches. It's all going with you, right?
Yeah, put it in the bag right now.
transporting witness back to no,
We won't lose it, don't worry. Your necklace too?
Oh shit.
You have shorts over here?
No, I just got these pants and some boxers.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Just have a seat in and then just the water in the back if you want. Alright?
How long?
It shouldn't be that long.
Sorry, it's not the one that just popped straight out. I'm sorry about that.
In the end, the investigation resulted in multiple fraud-related charges tied to fake identification documents and alleged attempts to illegally access another person's phone account. What began as a suspicious transaction inside a phone store quickly escalated into a larger criminal investigation involving identity fraud, digital security, and a foot chase with police.